Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Dollar Tree. Had to come and get some of this little Easter candy. This is so good, y'all. So good. I need some dishwashing liquid. They got all kind of stuff up in here, and it's so quiet in here. I'm gonna go down this way. God, they're making these bottles small. Got a lot of that bottle here. I see they got some new one up in here. I don't like that one up there. It's like water. It's the same ounce as the other one. No, this 7.5 ounce. And this one is 6 ounce. Might have to give me some Ajax. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Get this Ajax right here for $1.25. I ain't had one of these drinks in a long time. I'm gonna get one of these. I used to have that when I was little. These things used to cost what, 50 cents? A quarter? My mama, her times had changed. Just looking for me some aloe vera juice. They ain't got none in this one. Okay. I'm just looking, fam, trying to see what all they got up in here. Cause I ain't been at Dollar Tree in a minute. I think I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. I know what I need. I need some Parmesan cheese. That's what I need. Let's see, can I find some? Okay, that's what I was looking for. That's a big one. What's that date on there? Comment down below, have y'all tried these Parmesan cheese? This will be my first time trying that. They got a lot of cute stuff for their for the kids. Easter basket. Look at that. Y'all, it should come out cheaper making the kids Easter basket. That's cute. They got the little buckets. Look at that. That's cute. That's a cute little cup. They need to come down on them egg prices. How the kids gonna hunt for eggs, egg prices like that? That is, that's real cute. They got some cute stuff to make the kids use the basket. Alright fam, let me get up out of here. Y'all see what I got? That's exactly what I came to get. See ya, check out.